So here we have some Hardie board, and they're Hardie screws. So these are the ones that are meant to be for the board, and you can see the detail that's meant to enable it to self-countersink. And this is just some ordinary pine studding. And so what I'm going to do is just demonstrate how well it countersinks. So you can see, if I blow the dust away, that's still very proud. So if I try and screw that a little bit more, still not countersinking fully, so let's go for a bit more. Still proud. Okay. A bit more. Still proud. Now it's just spinning free. So it basically is so short, you can see it doesn't really countersink properly. Pity. So basically they all need to be countersunk manually. So if you use masonry drills, you can sort of countersink. If you use a conventional wood countersink, it blunts almost immediately.